Today, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to provide feedback on documents, collaborate with team members, or simply make notes for yourself directly within a PDF file. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this step is necessary to access your files and features within the program. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your documents. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've recently opened or worked on, making it easy to find the document you need. From the list of recent files, select the file where you want to add comments. Click on it to open the document in the main workspace. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on to the next step. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here, you'll find various tools and options for working with your document. Look for the Add Comment button and click on it. A submenu will appear, and from there, select Add a Comment. This activates the comment tool, allowing you to place notes anywhere on the PDF. Before placing your comment, you might want to customize its appearance to make it stand out or match your preference. To do this, click on the color picker. A palette will appear, giving you a range of color options to choose from. Select your preferred color from the available choices. This customization helps you organize comments visually, especially when multiple people are reviewing the same document. With your comment tool activated and your color selected, it's time to place the comment on the document. Click or place it where you want to add the comment. You can position it anywhere on the page, typically near the text or image you're referring to. Once you've placed the comment icon, the interface will shift slightly to accommodate the next step. In the right panel, you'll see a text field appear. This is where you'll actually write your comment. Navigate to the text field and type your comment. Be as detailed or brief as you need to be, depending on the feedback or note you want to provide. Once you've finished typing, click the Post button to save your comment to the document. The comment is now attached to that specific location in the PDF. If you need to add more comments to different sections of the document, simply repeat the steps we just covered. You can add as many comments as necessary throughout the PDF. To verify that your comment has been successfully added and is working properly, click the X in the right panel to close the comment input area. Then, click on the comment icon you just added. The comment should appear, displaying the text you typed. This confirms that your comment is now part of the document and can be viewed by anyone who opens the PDF. And there you have it, you've successfully added comments to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.